What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to open up a box that I just ordered off of eBay. This is a lot of 64 games and a system, so let's go ahead and jump into it. I have not looked at it. I'm going to cut it open for you guys. Now I'm doing all this with one hand, guys, so bear with me. Alright, and I paid $132 for this catastrophe. Alright, let's break in here. Alright, so right off the bat, we've got a Nintendo 64. No expansion pack. There's something rattling in there, no big deal. Oh, we got two 64s, that's right. It's the Donkey Kong version. And this one does have an expansion pack. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move over to our plugs over there by my TV. Excuse the mess, guys. It is close to the holidays and I have been listing like crazy on eBay. Oops. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this green one first. Like I said, excuse my mess. And we're gonna plug it in right here and see if anything happens. That didn't sound like it clamped in. I don't think it is, but we're gonna try it anyways. We've got our, oh, this one does not have connections. Let me grab some connections again. We'll be right back. Alright, guys, so I found the connection. We got the connection in. It came with a controller. I'm sorry, this is my controller, my wrestling game. We're gonna fire it up, see what happens. Now I'm not sure we have to put it at the right component, so I'm assuming it's AV1. Let's see. Alright, so there's no picture. Let me grab my 64, which is right here. Let me plug it in and make sure that everything is connected right. Okay, now we are on the right audio video channel, because I just plugged in my 64 and it worked. This one does not. Let me give it a little. You never know, sometimes that helps. And still no audio, video, nothing. Let's try removing that jumper pack and see if it makes a difference. Hold on. We tried my jumper pack and nothing happening. Alright, let's go grab the other console and see what happens. Alright, so I didn't want to plug this one in with that rattling stuff inside, so I took off the screws and let's see if it'll come apart. This back one is giving me issues. Let's see. Yeah, that one's still pretty much stuck on there, so let's get that going. Once again, guys, excuse my mess. My office is a mess because I'm always working on stuff, jumping from thing to thing. Never seem to finish what I'm doing. Come on, I already took you out. Another screw in there? Yeah, that one's still stuck in there too. Let's grab this one. I thought I had gotten it loose enough. Doesn't feel like it's stuck on there anymore. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Alright, so there's the top off. There is a bead in there. Okay, now that we're in here, might as well give it a little love. I want to clean out these ports, make sure it's clean, and then once I put it back together again completely, I will clean it out. You know, before I put it together, I'm gonna clean it out perfect. All right, so let's go try this in our little station here. Okay, once again, guys, I'm gonna pause you so I can plug things in. Okay, so here's our little makeshift setup. We got power. Also, no video. Damn. Alright, let's give the game a little cleaning. Let's give the contacts a little cleaning and see if that makes a difference. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys. This is how dirty the cartridge was. Well, the console itself, too. And Oh, yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. We've got power and sound. All right, everything works on this one. Let's go back to the green one and see if we can get that one rolling. All right, back with the green one. Just give it a little cleaning. Come on, baby. Show me potato salad. No, sir. Damn it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the insides of this one, the shell, and I'm going to swap it with that other one. And we'll have a green, jungle green N64. So not bad right there. Let's go ahead and grab the games and start cleaning those out and see if they work. Alright guys, we are back at the box. So we've got that soccer. I'm not worried about that one, but this one we really want it to work. We got Tony Hawk, Quest 64, Rainbow Six. I am not worried about that. Superman. Would like to see the mystery game, so I'm going to stack them up in different piles. Rugrats, really don't care. Winter Soccer, really don't care. Star Wars would be decent. We've got Pokemon Stadium and 007. So let's go plug these in and see what they do. Just check them out, like randomly. Plug them in and see if they fire up. If they don't fire up, then we're going to open them up and we're going to see what's going on. Alright, so here's test number 1 with 007. We know this is a working N64 console. And we've got nothing. So that tells me right there is an issue with the game. That's hard to do with one hand, guys. Bear with me. Alright, let's try Pokemon Stadium. Same thing. Nothing on the screen. Let's try Quest 64. What we're going to do is we're going to give them an alcohol bath. That. Okay, my PlayStation tried turning on. I don't know why. No. It doesn't sound like these things are going in right. Let's see. Pokemon Smash Bros. Nothing happening. PlayStation, I'm not trying to turn you on. That didn't sound good either. So far nothing with any of the games. That sounded really bad. There's the mystery game. Nothing happening. Like I said, these were sold as is, so Tony Hawk I'm not gonna worry about. Alright, let's go back and check out these games. Like I said, excuse my mess. There's the lid for the N64 we just took apart. Let me move that into the box. We got our screws and everything for the 64. I'm gonna slide them this way. And let's start with our first game. This one right here. What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pause you guys and I'm gonna open up the screen and try to do this with one hand. Alright, I got me some Q-tips. We got our Brasso, we got our alcohol. Where did I use alcohol? Oh, the alcohol's over here. Let me make that. So let's go ahead and open up this first game, the mystery game. I love those mystery games. It's what makes me bid on these things. Very addictive to find mystery games. Alright, let's find my correct sockets here. That's not it. I think it's you. Yeah, this thing looks really corroded. The screws in the back are very corroded. I'll show you guys right there. It's a lot of corrosion, rust. Let's see if we can get this one open. That screw is barely coming out, but yeah, you can see right there on the top, it's all rusted out. So that tells me this game is going to be rusted. Oh, and it's crusty. Look at all that damage right there. Damn. Well, no wonder these were sold as is. Oh well, let's see what we got in the inside. Let's see how bad. As long as it's just the connections, I can get that working most of the time. So just bear with me taking out the screws, and then we'll get to the board itself. So gotta remove this thing. This thing pops up. Oh man, that's nasty. You guys see all that gunk on there, on the black part? That's nasty. Oh, that's crusty. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to save this one, guys. This one's pretty bad. Lots of damage up there. But we're going to try it. Let's move the case out of the way so I can work a little better. What I'm first going to do is I'm going to grab some alcohol. And we're going to give it an alcohol bath. So, don't do this at home, guys. I just douse it about in alcohol. And we're going to use our brush. And just give it a quick scrub down. That's good on that side. I didn't see much on this side, but that side looked pretty bad, so I'm just going to give it a quick rub down. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our Brasso. Give it a shake. We're going to need some Q-tips, and we're going to go at it. There's our Brasso. This stuff works on contacts really, really well. So we're just going to clean the contacts. There's one that's completely gone there in the middle. I don't think this is going to work. We would have to probably run a trace wire to that one area, because that one thing is gone. There's also a big chunk missing there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's just try what we can try right now. Try giving it a little clean. A little cleaning never hurt anybody. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'll be shocked if this thing works. Like, shocked. Because this does not look good at all. There's too much. To me, there's too much damage on the board. There's too much damage. But if it works, I mean, we'll give it a shot. And if it works, badass. If it doesn't, we tried. Okay. Sorry, I'm moving you guys around with the... I don't even want to use that again, but there's no other way of holding the cartridge. That thing's broken. Yeah, it's broken. Oh well. Let's try it anyways. Let's grab the nasty part of the cartridge. Come on now, sit in there. Sit. And since that thing's broken, it's gonna move all over the place. There it goes. Like I said, guys, honestly, I don't think this is gonna work. That one looks way too far gone. Way too far gone. But we're gonna give it a whirl. Let's just put these screws in place. Come on now. Come on. It never fails. Trying to put a screw in it, it's so difficult. Just for good measure, we'll put on the cover too. I don't know what for, it's not gonna make a difference. Come on. Alright, let's go try it out. My mess. Alright, here we go. Does it matter? Does it make a difference? No. Not at all. Let me put in the N64. Where is it? Oh yeah, I have it over there. Okay, let's try another game. This one, unfortunately, is toast. Those are all my eBay boxes. Alright, strikeout number 1 here. Like I said, looks too far gone. I'm going to look under the microscope real quick on what it looks on the microscope. I wish I had a microscope. Yeah, those pins are really bad. Too much corrosion. Alright, we're gonna pass on this one for now. We're gonna throw it back in the box with the other stuff. Let's grab the next game on the list is 007. I'm just gonna put the screws back in on this one. That way we can open up the other one. Not have loose screws. I was really curious on what this game was, but I don't think we're gonna find out right now, guys. So unfortunately, on to the next. Now this stuff that I can't fix, I will throw it back on eBay. If you guys are more knowledgeable with this kind of repairs, they will be listed on eBay. And my eBay, I guess I'll share the link down the bottom. So here we go. This is 007, I think. All these look really, really crunchy. So these might have been submerged in water or something, because there's so much corrosion. And if they were submerged in water, I'm pretty much, they're done. To me, anyways, because my expertise level, I did not go to school for any of this. I just learned by watching videos and trying my best on getting things to work, because I used to have a gaming shop and I would do repairs on customers' consoles and try to bring back their games. And most of the time, I'd say about 80% of the time on cartridge-based games, I would get them working. Most of the customers that would bring them in, their contacts were just dirty, you know. Alright, here we go. This one, it does not look as bad. Yeah. Spoke too soon. Let me see under here, under the magnifying glass. Nah, it looks good. Really looks good. Let's clean this one up. Hopefully we can get this one working. Yeah, that'd be great. Move this out of the way so we can work on our board here. Like I say, I just use Brasso. Brasso cleans those contacts, makes them shiny again, cleans out gunk. It's made a big difference already on this board. Wow. Look at the board now, guys. Got some damage right there, but I don't think that'll affect it from loading up. So let's try the other side. You can see now how bad this board is. We're gonna clean it up with some Brasso. You don't want to be too aggressive. You don't want to put too much pressure. I do put pressure because I've done this plenty of times, and I kind of know, how much pressure I can put. Looks better. Let's grab the alcohol and see if this one fires back up. I don't know, there's some pretty bad spots on there. There's one really bad spot, and you guys can see it right there. Don't know. I don't know. We're gonna try it though. Let's give it a whirl. Let's give it a whirl. Nasty case though. Look how bad corrosion is on there. That's nasty. What I can do is order replacement cases for the N64. If we get any of these to work, we can order new shells, and that should make a difference. That way the corrosion doesn't keep spreading. We'd have a clean shell. I don't know if I put this on right. Not sure if the thing goes back or forward. Great. Rookie mistake. You know what, guys? I'm gonna put this one back on. It doesn't look like it's sitting right. put it backwards. Let's just go see. Let's see if it fires up. I don't know. I should put the rear end on. It really doesn't need it. TV went to sleep. Come on, baby. Fire it up. Fire it up. Fire it up. Damn it, it showed AV2 real quick. PlayStation, stop. I'm not firing you up. Not you, not you. Stop it. Shh. I'm gonna disconnect that PlayStation because it's going crazy. Nothing. Alright. Let me make sure I did this right. You guys hold on, I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is a last resort kind of thing, and I don't recommend you doing it unless it's so bad that you tried everything. Yeah, you tried everything and it's not gonna fire up. I did have it plugged in right. Just verified with another cartridge that it was plugged in right. Alright, I'm gonna do this up by me because I can't put enough pressure. Bear with me guys, bear with me. And this side was the good side, I think. If you do end up doing this, use fine sandpaper. I think this one's 1200, because you don't want to completely take everything off. You just want to give it a little refinement, basically. Alright, let's grab our Q-tip. Still got a little bit of alcohol in it. And we're going to go back and try this game again. I still see too much damage on that one point. Let me grab my, where's my pick? And see if I can take some of that grime off. I don't know guys, but we're going to give it a whirl. Let's give it another shot. What do you guys say? I say yes. Let's try it one more time before we give up on 007. This game is great. Let's see if I can... Oh, first of all, I got to put it in correctly. Now, when you're putting it back together, just remember that the board part with the prongs and all that goes up. There we go. There we go. We got our protective cage. That doesn't seem right. Let's get that screw out of there. So it can sit first. Yeah. Oh, here's hoping it works, guys. Let's see. I'll put the shell back on completely. And we'll give her another whirl. That other one that we opened up, the first one, the mystery game, looked way too gone to keep working on it. I will do some more work on it off camera. I'll sand that sucker down and see if it makes a difference. Let's go see if we can get Mr. 007 to work. Some of you might be thinking, like, why is he even working on these crap games? Oh, it's all Star Wars, I'm sorry. I like to fix things. If I can get it going and sell it, that's a win for me. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes! Yes, sir. Look at that. Right there. That's what we're talking about. Star Wars just loaded up. Oh, yeah. So anyways, guys, don't know what it's complaining about. But yeah, we're just gonna clean them. The other few games that I wanted to test on camera real quick. I don't want to bore you guys with continuous video of doing the same thing over and over again. So we're gonna grab a Q-tip and some alcohol, and we're gonna try to fire up the last batch of games that we got here. So for some reason my feet cut off there. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna grab some alcohol. Actually, I guess we'll grab the Brasso first. We'll Brasso through all the games through the outside without opening them up. But yeah, that's a win, guys. We got this one to work. That's freaking awesome. And we have one of the 64s that didn't work working. All right, so let's grab a Q-tip, and we're gonna grab some Brasso here. And all we're gonna do is just run through the contacts real quick on each game, just like this. That doesn't sound very good. Sounds really crunchy in there. Oh my God! Look at the amount of dirt, junk out of this one. What in the world? We're gonna need a new Q-tip. What the hell? All right, that one's clean with Brasso. We're gonna have to run alcohol through it to clean out the rest of the Brasso that's left over. All right, let's grab this one. This one looks worse. This is the Quest 64. You guys tell me, is Quest 64 any good? I tried playing it when I was a kid and didn't like it. I wasn't really a kid. Oh my God. Those Q-tips are nasty, Peter. Let's grab this one. We'll grab some more Brasso right here. Alright, we got Pokemon Stadium up next. Another one that looks nasty. Disgusting. It looks really bad. Really, really bad. There's lots of corrosion on these games. But anyway, we brought back that one Star Wars game. That's a win, and we got a 64 working today. All on camera. Hey, look at that. Alright, so those are done. Let's grab this other Q-tip. This one's pretty bad. Let's grab the 007. I thought we were working on 007 for a while. 007 is pretty bad too. Oh yeah. We are talking major corrosion. And some of it's being picked up from the bottom part, you know, the little brackets that are down there. But still, that's pretty bad. Yeah, look at that one. Alright, let's grab a clean Q-tip. We got our clean Q-tip, and we're gonna go and fire up those games and see if they fire up. Those are the ones that I really want to work, these 4. So let's grab our Q-tip. We're gonna douse it in alcohol on both ends. That way we can clean out multiple games right here. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna try to clean out the Brasso. So that's all you're gonna do is just try to get the contacts cleaned out. That's it, guys, right there. There it is. There's Q-tip number 1. Doing the same thing to Pokemon Stadium. Trying to get all that Brasso off. We'll do Quest 64. That sounded horrendous. Check out our Q-tip. And then let's do Smash Bros. And let's go try these out real quick. If you guys want me to do another video with me fixing these or taking time to try to fix them, let me know in the comments. Alright, here we go with Smash Brothers. Come on, baby. Haha! Smash Brothers is a go, baby. That's 40-50 bucks. Sweet. We got Smash Brothers going. Let's try Quest 64. I don't know about Quest 64. That one was pretty bad, so that one's probably going to be an open up in sand. But Smash Brothers worked. I'm happy about that. Come on, Pokemon Stadium. That's another good one. Pikachu! Dun, 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 dun. Yes! Very nice. And let's throw in 007. Come on, that looks good too. Haha. All right, guys. Hell yeah. All right, so we got 3 out of the 5 working, and I'm probably gonna get that one. More than likely, the Quest 64 working again, and I'm gonna open up and sand the other one. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. Stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna be ordering more stuff like this. I do gig driving. I do the flea markets. So if you guys enjoy that kind of stuff, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.